Hi, Rocketeers. It's Miss Brown. Welcome to Core Lesson. We're going to be reviewing topics from earlier in this year to refresh your memory and make sure you're 100% about them. At the end of each lesson, you'll go over to your Edge Elastic and complete your work for today. This is separate from your TPU, so make sure you complete both. I would like to give out some new shout outs for some friends that really stepped it up the past couple of days. Way to go, Joshua. Way to go, Journey. Way to go, Messiah. Way to go, Elijah. Way to go, Neville. Way to go, Layla. Way to go, Alexander. Come on, fourth grade college bound. Let's get in and get our extra practice on. Our objective is today, we're going to focus on comparing numbers. Our goal for today is to compare numbers based on the meaning of the digits, using greater than, less than, equal, or equal to record the comparison. Let's do a quick recap from our previous unit. The alligator mouth means open to the first number, means that that number is greater than the second number. For example, 5 is greater than 2. The alligator mouth open to the second number means that the first number is less than the second. For example, 2 is less than 5. The equal sign means both digits have the same value. For example, that would be 5 equal 5. Now, okay, Rocketeers, we're going to be comparing two numbers, 43,021 and 45,302. Now, first, Rocketeers, I would like to build on those numbers, practicing good habits from yesterday's lesson from Mr. Jones of writing numbers in expanded form. Using expanded form helps me compare numbers because it lets me see the value of each digit. I have 4 10,000s, 3 thousands, 2 tens, 1 1. Now to compare, I have 4 10,000s, 5 thousands, 3 hundreds, 2 ones. Okay, now Rocketeers, what I need to do is, now that I've built both those numbers on my place value chart, I'm going to start comparing. In order to compare two numbers, I always want to start with the largest place value that has the greater value so I can determine. And you go, why, Ms. Brown? Why do we start from there? Well, in order to determine that has a greatest value, we're going to start from the biggest number first. I'll start in the 10,000s place first because it's my largest place value in those two numbers. Now, I see that both numbers have 4 10,000, which is 4 times 10,000 equal 40,000. Both of these numbers have an equal value of 40,000. Well, now I have to move to my next largest place value. I move to the thousands place. The top number has 3,000, which is less than 5,000. If I'm looking in expanded form, then 3 times 1,000 equal 3,000, and 5 times 1,000 equal 5,000. I know that the 3,000 is less than 5,000, so I'm going to stop right there. 4,321 is less than 45,302. There goes my alligator mouth. Now, let's stop here and let's remind ourselves of the big idea. We're going to compare numbers based on the meanings of the digits using greater than, less than, or equal to record a comparison. Now let's practice. Now I'm going to use the good habits that I've done in the other slide. I'm going to compare three numbers, 32,644, 32,534, and 32,434. Now, I'm going to start with my largest place value, which is the 10,000th place, and start comparing. Well, let me bring out my handy dandy tool so I can annotate as a really good mathematician. and I noticed that the 3,000 place, the digit 3 in the 10,000s place is 3 times 10,000, which equals 30,000. All numbers have the same equal value. So I'm going to go over to the thousands place. The digit 2 is 2 times 1,000, which is 2,000. All the numbers have the same value in the thousands place. So I'm going to go over to the 100. I go over the hundreds and I see that 32,644 has 6 more hundreds than the rest of the numbers. Therefore, it has the greatest value. And 32,434 has the smallest value of them all. Let's keep on practicing. Rocketeers, we're going to compare numbers in different number forms. The number form is an expanded form comparing to a number that is written in word form. I'm first going to rewrite my second number in expanded form, also so I can see the value of each digit. I know that both the 100,000s and the 10,000s place are both numbers are equivalent, but the second number has 5 in the thousands place. So let me rewrite it now. Therefore, that gives a greater value than the first number. So I know that 730,028 is less than 735,008. Now, Rocketeers, it's been great working out with you during this core lesson. Remember to go to Edulastic G4 core lesson, comparing numbers. Also being a reminder that Ms. Brown is going to be checking on you to make sure that you are completing your work. I love the great work that we're seeing. Let's keep up the good work, you guys, and have an amazing day.